Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about Domo AI. So to reach at the Domo AI interface we just need to click on more, then we can see Domo.ai. Let's click on Domo.ai. So when we come to Domo.ai interface, we have a four things. First is AI model, another is AI project, then Jupyter, and the fourth one is playground. So I'm going to explain about a playground because these three are basically for the person who is working on a data science project or AI projects, or the person who is data scientist or AI developer. But for as a data analyst or BI developer, I think playground is enough for us. So when I click on playground, we have services like text to SQL, text generation, text to beast mode, text summarization. The first part is text to SQL. So in prompt, if we write any text like I want to fetch a count of any column, or I want to get a sum of any column from any of the data set, then this prompts generate a SQL query for the question, like whatever text I written here. So let's see the example. First, let's select a data source. I'm selecting product sale. Okay, I just selected product sale. Now choose this list price and color. Just remember these two column name. Choose data set. Okay. Now I'm going to write some question. Write SQL query to get the sum of list price by color. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, and come to the end, we can see it's generated a SQL query for us. Select color sum of list price as sum of list price from product sale, the data set, group by color. So like that, if we write anything here, it generate a SQL query for us. Okay, we just need to select our data set or data source, and then we need to write our question, like what kind of things we want. So based on the question, it generate an answer, and I can say it generate a SQL query. Okay, and that SQL query we can use in our SQL transformation. Now next is the text generation. So text generation, simply if we ask any question, it gives the answer. So now in the model, we can see we have selected a default model. If I unmark this, I have an option to select a model. So as of now, Domo provided four model, and this is our free version, but maybe in enterprise version, Domo may provide a more. Okay, so let's go. We can choose any one out of these four, but I'm going with default one. Okay, now next is text generation. So let's ask some question. Right, what is Domo and how it is useful in BI? Okay, let's see. Default model, run this. So simply we ask question, and we this model is going to provide answer in the output section. So we can see output. Domo is a cloud-based business intelligence and data visualization platform that helps organization to connect, analyze, and visualize data from various sources. So we can see it's a big answer. Okay, now I'm just going to copy this. Why did I copy? I will tell you later. Let me copy and keep somewhere. Okay, cancel. Now let's see the third service. Third service is text to beast mode. So again, I'm going to write some text, and then this model will generate beast mode based on my text. Okay, first I need to select a data source. Again, I am selecting product sale. Okay, now let's choose the data set. Okay, 1 minute. uh, Product sale. Okay, I just want to see the columns. Okay, English product name. Right, uh, beast mode to get length of English product name. Okay, so I'm asking to generate a beast mode calculation. Now let's run this. So my question is, write a beast mode to get length of English product name. So I want to get the beast mode calculation that generates a length of English product name. Okay, so come to the end. Hold on, I think it's given something wrong. Actually, we need to write appropriate question, otherwise it does not give a proper answer. Write a beast mode to calculate length of English product name. Let's run this and we'll see. Now we can see length this. Okay, so it's given a beast mode formula to calculate a length of English product name. Okay, so our question should be perfect. My English is not good, but we have to write a proper English here. Then based then this playground, or can say these models generates a proper answer. Okay, so like that, if we have any kind of requirement for the beast mode, we just need to select a data source, and then we need to ask question in a proper way and in a proper English with grammar. Okay, so even we can have some mistake, but if we want a proper answer, then we need to write in a perfect way. Okay, so this is the third one. Now last is text summarization. So if we write a big text here, or can say if we give a big sentence, multiple line sentence, then it generate a summarize. It generate summary for the text. Okay, so in the prompt I copied this line. I am just going to paste here. Okay, now let me run this. So let's see. Hold on. Actually, I didn't ask any question. Summarize above text. Let's see. So we can see it is giving, hold on, summarize above text in, let's give 2 line, or can say 2 sentence. Yeah. So it is, yeah, I think it's a 2 sentence only. This is the first line of sentence, and this is the second line of sentence. Okay, and this is the our out. This is our input. This is our input. It has multiple sentences, but in the output we can see this is the summarized answer. So if we have to summarize anything, we can ask to Domo, and we can provide the input, and then Domo, or can say Domo, whatever model is being used in Domo, that summarize a text for us. Now summarize text in 100 words. Okay, let's see. I think and let's give 50 words. So we can see the output got reduced because I asked to summarize in 50 words. So here we have multiple things. Separate type, we can choose HTML, Markdown, JavaScript. We can choose a separator. We can have we have a chunk overlap. We have max chunk size. So these things I will explain in next video. Okay, because this video is going long. Thank you.